Today we're going to be replacing the coil brackets on this LS, and we'll be putting new coils on as well. I will do the wiring a little bit later, but for today we're replacing those brackets and the coils. So we're going to take a look inside these boxes and see what we got. I've already cut the tape on this one. We've got some hardware here and the brackets, and they appear to be mirrored of each other. So not a whole lot to look at here just yet. So we will get down to the coils. This kit is the coils and the wires, but we're not going to be putting the wires on today. And that just happens to be the top item on here. Got some wire separators, little thank you card, all right, hopefully these are a decent quality. I've never really worked on an LS before. This is my first time. So we'll get the coils out and get them assembled to these brackets and see how they fit. All right, after a quick look at the driver's side, it's going to go in this orientation. I'll set this out of the way. We'll pull out 4 coils, and then they should go. I thought I ordered the black ones because the option was for the standard aluminum or black, and I thought I ordered the black, but that's not what came. So we'll lay these out. In fact, it is a 4mm. I think when I'm done, I'll go back through and put some blue Loctite on these, just because I'm sure they get quite a bit of vibration. All right, let's see the difference between the old one and the new one. So we've got the old versus the new. The wiring is something else we're gonna have to get taken care of, but I'll go ahead and get this one mounted up and we'll see what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same assembly as what you saw here, and we will get that set up on the passenger side. All right, so let's take a look and see how these coils and brackets look in the engine bay. So here's a top-down view. You can see the coils and the coil brackets. You can probably also see the brackets that I used to relocate the alternator and the power steering pump. I'll have links to everything that you see here in my description. At this point, I wanted to ask for anybody's help. I got to figure something out for the radiator, but I have a short span from the top of the core support down to the frame. only got about 17.5 inches to work that in there, but I have about 36 inches wide. So I kind of wanted to run that by you LS experts and see if you know of anything that might fit. If there's anybody watching that might want to sponsor, that'd be great too. I am filming this at the end of the video, about a month after. So I've made some progress on the floor in here. I also adjusted that cross member, which that will be the next video that I post. Still looking for any tips or tricks. I don't know if you can see those horns got mounted. I do have seats that I need to get set up, but look for this video. Let me know in the comments if this is the video that you're looking forward to. If there's anything on this car that you want to see more in detail, put that in the comment section, and then I'll make a video on whatever it is that you want to look at. So obviously we've got the LS. I'm going to be making transmission cooler lines. I'll have to find a place to put the transmission cooler, but I've got the floor going now. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. Hopefully we'll see you on the next video.